muffins that your grandma made. Corn in the truck, corn in the field, corn in the bottom of a moonshine still, corn in a kettle, corn in a skillet, corn in a jug, hot damn, you can feel it. Corn for the chicken, corn for the deer, corn for as far as you can see around here. Leaning on a fence in a Carhartt hat with a farmer's tan, saying, man, look at all that corn. Yeah, all that corn. Yeah, ain't no wonder why you love it. You got your first kiss in a barn full of it. Drank your first beer, learned to play guitar at a turn roll party with a tailgate bar. Farmer's daughter and a John Deere man, saving your money, put a ring on her hand. Now you're raising more than a silver queen in a little farmhouse by a field of dreams.